Want to master the keto diet and find the perfect cookbook to suit your lifestyle? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll reveal the secrets to choosing the best keto cookbook that will make your keto journey a breeze. Going keto can be a game changer, but flipping through endless cookbooks? That's a headache, not a delicious meal. I'm here to break down the essential elements of the best keto cookbooks, so you can confidently choose the perfect one to crush your goals. Before you even crack open a cookbook, let's talk about you. Are you a picky eater? Do you have any allergies or food sensitivities? Think about your lifestyle too. Are you a busy bee who needs quick and easy recipes? Or do you love spending hours in the kitchen creating culinary masterpieces? The more specific you are, the better equipped you'll be to find a cookbook that feels like it was written just for you. Alright, let's talk macros. Macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbs are the building blocks of the keto diet. Look for cookbooks that provide detailed nutritional information for each recipe, including total carbs, net carbs, fat, protein, and fiber. Accurate macro tracking is key to success. We've all been there, flipping through a cookbook, drooling over gorgeous photos, only to realize the ingredient list requires a second mortgage. Look for recipes that feature simple, whole foods that you can easily find at your local grocery store. Let's be honest, even the most delicious diet can get old if you're eating the same things day in and day out. Look for cookbooks that offer a diverse range of meal options, from breakfast and lunch to dinner, snacks, and even desserts. The more variety you have in your keto arsenal, the more likely you are to stick with it for the long haul. When it comes to your health, you don't want to take chances. Choose cookbooks written by credible authors with a strong background in keto research and nutrition. For instance, Carolyn Ketchum's The Ultimate Guide to Keto Baking is a great example. A cookbook should be your kitchen companion, not a source of frustration. Look for cookbooks with a user-friendly layout and design that makes cooking a breeze. Clear and concise instructions are a must. You want recipes that are easy to follow, even if you're a beginner cook. And don't underestimate the power of good food photography. Mouth-watering photos can be incredibly motivating and inspiring. Here's a little secret. The best keto cookbooks go above and beyond just recipes. They offer valuable resources and tools to support you on your keto journey. Think meal plans, shopping lists, tips for dealing with keto flu, and even guidance on eating keto at restaurants. Look for cookbooks that offer that extra level of support. The age-old debate: print or digital. When it comes to cookbooks, there's no right or wrong answer. It all depends on your personal preference and cooking style. Print cookbooks offer that tactile experience, the joy of flipping through pages and marking your favorite recipes. Digital cookbooks, on the other hand, offer convenience and portability. Before you hit that add to cart button, take a moment to check out the user reviews. These reviews can provide valuable insights into the practicality and taste of the recipes. Remember, real people like you have tried these recipes, and their experiences can help you make an informed decision. As you progress on your keto journey, your needs and preferences might change, and that's okay. Your cookbook collection should grow and evolve alongside you. Don't be afraid to explore new cookbooks, experiment with different authors, and expand your culinary horizons. Keep an eye out for updated editions of your favorite cookbooks, like the Keto Diet Cookbook 2025 by Jane Clayton. There you have it, my insider tips for choosing the perfect keto cookbook. Remember, this is your keto journey, and finding a cookbook that resonates with you and supports your goals is essential. With the right cookbook by your side, you'll be whipping up delicious, keto-friendly meals like a pro in no time. Now go forth and conquer that kitchen. And as always, happy cooking. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more keto tips and recipes.